Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add any website as a shortcut icon on your home screen in Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Chrome and then find whichever website you want to add as your shortcut. Then click on these three dots in the top right corner of our screen and select Add to Home Screen. Now you can name your icon however you like, and when it's ready, click on Add, Add again. Now go back to your home screen and here's the icon. You can click on it to instantly open any website. I mean, this specific website that you've added. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.